Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to watch ESPN on Disney Plus. First of all, open the Disney Plus app and log in. If you have the Disney Plus, Hulu and ESPN Plus bundle, you are all set. Start by tapping your profile icon in the bottom right. From here, navigate to your account settings. Look for the section that says bundle and subscriptions. You will see your access to ESPN Plus included here. To watch ESPN content, you will need the ESPN app. Download and open the ESPN app if you haven't already. Once you open ESPN, log in using the same email and password you used for Disney Plus. This will link your accounts and unlock all the ESPN content you can enjoy. Now you can browse live sports, exclusive ESPN shows, and more. Remember, ESPN Plus content is separate from the live TV ESPN channels, but there is still plenty to explore. And that's it. By following these steps, you can watch ESPN on Disney Plus.